Hello kids, it's me again, Teacher Ajit. Are you ready for our second topic? For our second topic, we have addition and subtraction of time in weeks and days.
Do you remember the two keywords? Again, we have sum and difference. When we say sum, we are going to use plus, and then when we say difference, we are going to use minus sign. Remember that 1 week is equal to 7 days. Again, 1 week is equal to 7 days. Those are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Addition of time.
Find the sum of 2 weeks, 3 days, and 1 week, 2 days. For our solution, let's write the two units, week and day. And then let's write 2 weeks, 3 days, and 1 week, 2 days, and the plus sign. First is we are going to add the day. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Next is we are going to add the week. 2 plus 1 equals 3. For our final answer, we have 3 weeks, 5 days. For our next example, we have find the sum of 5 weeks, 1 day, and 4 weeks, 3 days. For our solution, let's write again the two units, week and day. Then let's write 5 weeks, 1 day. Next we have 4 weeks, 3 days, and the plus sign. First, let's add the day. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Next, let's add the week. 5 plus 4 equals 9. For our final answer, we have 9 weeks, 4 days.
Next example. Find the sum of 2 weeks, 6 days, and 3 weeks, 2 days. For the solution, put the two units, week and day, and then the first time given, we have 2 weeks and 6 days. The second time given, we have 3 weeks and 2 days. So since we have sum, what symbol do we need to use? The answer is plus sign. So let's answer the day first. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, and then the week we have 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Remember that 7 days is equal to 1 week, meaning to say we are going to convert the 8 days into how many week and how many day. How to solve that? Write the unit days and then put 8 minus the 7 days is equal to blank. So 8 minus 7 is equal to 1, and then this 7 represent as 1 week, and then this 1 represent as 1 day. So let's answer put or 8 minus 7, again, that is 1 day. And then the 1 week plus 5 weeks, we have 6 weeks. So the final answer, we have 6 weeks and 1 day. Last example, find the sum of 4 weeks, 7 days, and 2 weeks, 4 days. Let's solve. Write the two unit, week and day, and then the first time given, we have 4 weeks and 7 days. The second time given, we have 2 weeks and 4 days. Since it is sum, we are going to use plus symbol. So let's add the day first. So 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. And then the week we have 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Since 11 is greater than 7 days, we need to subtract it. So 11 minus 7 is equal to blank. So before that, put or, and then 11 minus 7, we have 4. And then the 1 week will be added to 6 weeks. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So the final answer, we have 7 weeks and 4 days. Subtraction of time. First example in subtraction. Find the difference of 3 weeks, 5 days, and 2 weeks, 2 days. So for the solution, write the two units which are week and day. And then the first time given, we have 3 weeks and 5 days. And the second time given, we have 2 weeks and 2 days. Since it is difference means the answer in subtraction, we are going to use minus sign. So let's solve the day first. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And then the week, we have 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Meaning to say, the final answer will be 1 week and 3 days. Next example. Find the difference of 5 weeks, 7 days, and 1 week, 2 days. So let's solve. Write the two units. We have week and day. So what is the first time given? We have 5 weeks and 7 days. How about the second time given? We have 1 week and 2 days. So since it is difference, we are going to use minus sign. So let's solve the day first. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. And then the week, we have 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So the final answer is 4 weeks and 5 days.
Find the difference of 6 weeks, 2 days, and 2 weeks, 7 days. For our solution, let's write the two units, week and day. Then let's write 6 weeks, 2 days, and 2 weeks, 7 days. And let's write the minus sign. Before we subtract, have you noticed that the minuend is smaller than the subtrahend in days? What should we do? If you can still remember, 1 week is equal to how many days? 7 days. Now let's borrow first from week. So let's borrow 1 from 6. 6 becomes 5. And then let's convert the one that we borrow from 6, which is 1, is equals to 7 days, because 1 week is equals to 7 days. And then let's add the 7 days into 2 days. So it will become 9 days. Very good. Now let's subtract. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Very good. Next, we are going to subtract the week. 5 minus 2 equals 3. For our final answer, we have 3 weeks, 2 days. Find the difference of 4 weeks, 1 day, and 1 week, 7 days. For our solution, let's write again the two units, week and day. And let's write 4 weeks, 1 day, and 1 week, 7 days, and the minus sign. Have you noticed that the minuend is smaller than the subtrahend in days? What should we do? First, let's borrow 1 from 4. So 4 becomes 3. How about the one that we borrow from 4? We will convert it into days, since we are subtracting the days. 1 week is equals to 7 days. And let's add the 7 days into 1 day. So we have 8 day. Now let's subtract the day. 8 minus 7 equals 1. Next, let's subtract the week. 3 minus 1 equals 2. For our final answer, we have 2 weeks, 1 day.
After watching the video, please answer your worksheet given to you. Keep safe. Goodbye.